Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on Open. Now just tap on Accept and Continue. Now just tap on Allow and tap on the X icon. Now just search the name of the music which you want to set as your ringtone and select ringtones. Now from here, just select the music which you want to download and tap on download. From here, just select save to media folder. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open WhatsApp. Now just tap on the three dots and tap on settings. Then go to notifications and from here, just tap on ringtone. Now just select Zedge and from here, just select the ringtone which you have downloaded. Tap on OK and select settings. Now just enable this toggle. Now just select the ringtone and tap on OK. Now as you can see, this is how you can set custom ringtone on WhatsApp on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.